In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin with credit card on Coinbase, step by step. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. Click the official result and make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar so you know you're on the real site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. New users may be asked to complete identity checks before buying, which is normal for regulated exchanges. Once you're on the homepage, look for the main action buttons. On the website, you'll typically see a buy or buy sell option near the top. In the mobile app, you'll find a similar buy button on the main screen. Go ahead and open that. From the list of assets, select Bitcoin. If there's a search bar, type BTC to quickly find it. This ensures you're choosing Bitcoin and not a similarly named asset. On the Bitcoin purchase screen, you can enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency or switch to the BTC amount if that's easier for you. It's perfectly fine to start small while you get comfortable. Next, look for the Pay With section. This is where you choose your payment method. Credit cards are convenient and usually provide instant or near instant availability, but keep in mind they often carry higher fees compared to bank transfers. You'll see the estimated fee and exchange rate on the screen so you can make an informed decision. If your credit card is already saved, select it here. If not, choose the option to add a payment method. Pick credit card, then enter your card details and billing address exactly as they appear on your statement. Many cards require 3D secure or similar verification, so be ready to approve a security prompt from your bank. The card should be in your name and the billing address must match to avoid declines. With your card selected and your purchase amount set, tap or click Review Order. This summary shows the Bitcoin amount you'll receive, the price, fees, and the total charge to your card. Double check everything, especially the asset, the amount, and the payment method. If something looks off, go back and adjust before you proceed. That's it. Coinbase will process the transaction, and once complete, your Bitcoin balance will appear in your account. You can view it in your portfolio and see the transaction details in your activity or recent orders. As a tip, consider enabling two-factor authentication and reviewing your account security settings to keep your funds safe. And remember, prices can be volatile, so buy only what fits your plan.